Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing simple equations. You'll be coming across simple equations or equations generally in different topics in mathematics. So the moment you understand how to maneuver your way around correctly in solving this equation, you'll be able to get your answer correctly because you have actually understand the basics behind equation. As you can see on the screen, if we have 3x minus 5, this is an example of algebraic expression. It is not an equation. But if you have 3x minus 5 equals 1, this is an example of what? Simple equation, because it contains the equal sign, the equality sign, this one that we are saying here. Whenever you see an expression that has this equal sign, it is an equation, because at the end of the day, what you have, no matter what you have on the left hand side, it will equal to what you have on the right hand side. That is what this is trying to explain. So whenever you see something of this nature, the moment there is equality sign, this equal sign that you are seeing here, it means it's an equation. In summary, an equation is simply a statement that two quantities are equal. That is, the left hand side and the right hand side, they are equal. So we have some questions here just to explain what we've seen up here. As you journey through this video, I'm sure you will enjoy it. So we have 3 questions here. Let's quickly dive straight into them. So we see solution number 1. Awesome. So we have this question here, v minus 2 all over 2v minus 3 equal 1 over 3. Like we said, the moment you see this equal sign, it means what you have on the left hand side must be equal to what you have on the right hand side. And now, since this is the question that was given, we have to solve. By implication, it means our v here is unknown. Let's solve to get the value of our v. Now, if you have something of this nature, first thing first is for you to cross multiply. Is to do what? To cross multiply. For record purpose, let's is for you to cross multiply. What's the meaning? That means what you have here, you multiply it with what you have here. What you have here, you multiply it with what you have here. That's the meaning of cross multiplication. Awesome. So with this, we can now say these 3 will multiply what we have here. We have awesome. So, having done that, these 3 will multiply what we have here. What we have here is v minus 2. Beautiful. These 3 will multiply what we have here. Equal. This 1 will multiply what we have here. Anything times 1 is that, and so there's no point writing 1 in this. So we'll just write 2v minus 3. 2v what? Minus 3. Awesome. So what you need to do now is to open up this bracket that you have here. Let's open it up. So let's open up it up very quickly. So we'll say 3 times v will give us 3v. This 3 times v will give us 3v minus 3 times 2 will give us 6. Or you say 3 times minus 2 still give us minus 6. You are still correct. So we have opened up this bracket. Very beautiful. So the next thing is for you now to collect like times, because you have v here, you have v here, you have ordinary number here, ordinary number here. So let's collect like times. Those terms that look alike, let's collect like terms. Beautiful. So here we have 3v, here we have 2v. Like we've said over and over again, whenever you have anything that wants to cross the equality sign, the sign will change. Now we have plus 2v here. This is an invisible plus here. It's going to cross this equality sign to come and meet this 3v. That means the sign will change to what? Minus. So we now have minus 2v. Awesome. Now we have minus 3 here already. At this our right hand side. That means this 2v has gone to meet this. Now this 6 wants to cross this equality sign to come and meet this minus 3. So this sign will change from minus 6 to plus 6. Beautiful. So we have successfully collect our like terms. Awesome. So we say 3v minus 2v give us 1v. So since it is 1, there's no point writing 1 again. So we just write our v. Right, v. Beautiful. So minus 3 plus 6 is just like saying 6 minus 3. It will give you what? 3. Minus 6 minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 6 is just like saying 6 minus 3. It will give you what? 3. So our v is 3. That's for question number 1. So let's dive straight to question number 2. So we say solution 2. Let's get our question. Beautiful. Now, looking at this, let's see what we can do. We have x plus 3 over 4 equals x minus 3 over 5 plus 2. Now, first thing first, because we have x here, we have x here in this place, let's collect like terms so that they can come together. That's the first thing we are going to do. Let's collect like terms. What do I mean? That all we have here will come here, because if you look at this, okay, let me put them in perspective so that we understand what I'm trying to explain. We have something of this nature this way, we have this one this way, beautiful. So if you actually want to collect like times, okay, let's bring this down here. Now let's collect the like terms. Now by implication it means, so what I've done is this is still the same thing as what we have here. I just put them in brackets so that we will not get ourselves confused. So let's collect like terms now. What do I mean? So this is plus. Now if it is crossing this equality sign, it will change to what? Minus. So it will change to minus. So we are left with this here. That's the meaning. This 1 is plus. It's crossing this equality sign to come and make this one change to minus. So we are left with this plus 2 that we have here. Beautiful. Now I've said it over and over again. If you are dealing with questions that involve fraction, addition or subtraction, there's no how we're not going to use LCM. It is very key. We are going to use LCM. So let's quickly see how we can work around that. Let's get the template. Beautiful. Now, LCM of 4 and 5. You can brush up on our video. You can check this YouTube channel. Video on LCM, lowest common multiple. You understand better. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Awesome. How many times will 4 go in 20? That's 5 times. So 5 times what we have here, let's put it in perspective. That's what we have here. How many times will 4 go in 20? That's 5 times. 5 times x plus 3. That's what we have. 5 times x plus 3. Beautiful. So these are our minus that we have here. Let's put it. So let's go to this place. How many times will 5 go in 20? 4 times. 4 times x minus 3 that we have here. X minus 3. Beautiful. That means we are through with what we have here. So now say equal to this our 2 that we have here. Very easy. So 2 ways we can cross multiply here first, or we can open up this bracket first, because this 2, the denominator is 1. So let's cross multiply first so that the equation will look linear. Let's cross multiply. What do I mean? You multiply what you have here with this. Okay, let me put this so that we will not get confused. This is still the same as 2 over 1. Beautiful. 2 over 1. So when we cross multiply, what we are trying to say is what we have up here, we multiply it by 1. What we have down here, we multiply it by this. That's what we are trying to explain. So by so doing, we can now say let's bring out what we have here. Because if you multiply all this by 1, you still get this. Anything times 1 will give you that particular thing. Equal, you say 20 times 2 here to give you what? 40. Beautiful. So let's open up this bracket that we have here. Let's go. Okay. Let's bring out this to make our job easier. Let's open it up. 5 times x here will give you 5x. 5 plus, let's say plus, it's plus that we have here. 5 times 3 here will give you what? 15. That means we'll be able to open up this that we have here. So minus 4 times x. Let's remove this. Awesome. Minus 4 times x here will give you minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 3. Minus times minus will give you plus. That will give you plus. 4 times 2 will give you what? 12. Awesome. So we have 5x plus 15 minus 4x plus 12 equals 40. So let's rearrange what we have here. Let's rearrange. We have 5x. This is minus 4x. Let this minus 4x come close to. Awesome. We have 5x minus 4x is here. We have plus 15. We have plus 12. We have plus 15. We have plus 12. So it's just rearrangement. We just rearrange. Awesome. So So you say 5x minus 4x, you'll be left with 1x. There's no point writing 1x, we can just write x. Beautiful. 15 plus 12 that we have here to give us 27. 15 plus 12 will give us 27. Awesome. So with this, we are almost done. All we just need to do is to transfer this 27 out. Crossing the equality sign, the sign will change to minus. So we have 40 minus 27. Awesome. So you see 40 minus 27 is going to give you 13. So that's your answer. Awesome. So let's dive straight to the last one. This is solution number 3. Beautiful. So let's get down the question. Awesome. As usual, if you have something of this nature, the first thing we are going to do is to what? Is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. I'm sure we are used to what cross multiplication means. You are multiplying this with this, you are multiplying this with this. It's as easy as that. So what are we going to do? Let's get this as a template. So since we are multiplying 3 and what we have here, so 3 times all we have here, 3t plus 4. 3 times 3t plus 4. So we have 3t plus 4. That's for this. Equal to 1 multiply 4 times what we have here, t minus 2. T minus 2. Beautiful. With this, let's open up these brackets. Awesome. Let's open it up. 3 times 3t give us what? 90. Then 3 times 4 give us what? 12. We'll be able to iron out that. 4 times t will give us 4t. 4 times t will give us what? 4t. 4 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 8. Very easy. So let's collect like terms. Let's collect like terms. Use the look alike to bring them together. Okay, we have 90 here. If this 40 is crossing this equality sign to come and meet this 90, that means the sign will change to minus. That's crossed. Then we have minus 8 here. If this plus 12 is crossing this equality sign to come and meet this minus, the sign will change to minus because it is plus. It will change to what? Minus. It will change to what? Minus 12. Beautiful. So with that, If you now say 9t minus 4t, 90 minus 40 will give us what? 5t. 90 minus 40 will give us 5t. 5t. Beautiful. So minus 8 minus 12. Minus 8 minus 12 will give us what? Minus 20. Give us minus 20. Beautiful. So now, to get the value of our t, all we need to do is to divide both sides by 5. Because don't forget, we have done this in change of subject formula. I told you that we'll be coming across some of this topic in different topic as well. So in change of subject formula, we've been able to iron out this, that our subject formula should stand alone. So what is disturbing t now is 5. So what we'll do now is to divide both sides by 5t. Sorry, we have to divide both sides by 5 because we are looking for t. We have to divide both sides by 5. Awesome. Let's get the template. Beautiful. So here we have 5t. We are dividing both sides by 5. Here we have minus 20. We are dividing both sides by what? 5. Such that our 5 can cancel out this 5. So we'll be left with what? T. Now, this minus will definitely come up because you will see 5 here, 1, 5 here will be 4. So we have minus 4 as our final answer. 20 divided by 5 will give us 4, but this minus will definitely show up. So you can always pause, rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. If you have any issue with any of our video or this particular one, kindly drop a comment with us. We appreciate it. We'll reply you as soon as possible. Help us like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Maths. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification of new video from us whenever we post it.